Hi, I'm Zach Abernathy. Today, I'll be talking about an installed base evaluation. A Rockwell Automation Installed Base Evaluation, also known as an IBE, is a site-delivered service that provides actionable intelligence to help you make data-driven decisions regarding the spares and obsolescence management of your installed base assets. Value add and benefits include identification of your shortage of spare parts, identification of product lifecycle status via plant hierarchy, and the identification of legacy obsolescence risk. An IBE will develop a plan for every part, such as discovering the right size storeroom with proper spare parts, developing a strategic plan to modernize and migrate outdated components, as well as standardization to reduce complexity. An installed base evaluation will ultimately provide executive summary and supporting files for inventory and lifecycle analysis. Thank you for watching this presentation. If you have any questions, please contact your local sales representative or visit us online.